Today's video will focus on the new Microsoft Windows Virtual Desktop platform and how FlexApp from Liquidware is integrating with it. Historically, Microsoft has provided a number of remote desktop scenarios that focused on both access and management. These traditional capabilities will receive an upgrade with the introduction of the new Microsoft Windows Virtual Desktop Platform, or WVD. Remote desktop client workflows will continue to be managed by the enterprise. With Windows Virtual Desktop, Microsoft Managed Azure customers will have access to net new state-of-the-art resource workflows. Rather than the traditional time-consuming server builds, for the various services like gateways or brokers, customers can leverage or deploy these options as an Azure service with the series of mouse clicks. Each of these new services will be managed from a newly optimized Azure portal within the customer's Azure environment. This process will drastically optimize the management overhead associated with both infrastructure and desktop workflows for the enterprise. Evolving out of that new managed services model is a brand new Windows 10 multi-session customer-managed Azure workflow. Windows 10 is evolved into a robust multi-session operating system managed as a service sitting on top of Azure. Active Directory is now provisioned within the new managed service within a few mouse clicks, in addition to items like user profile services, applications, and desktop workflows. With the FSLogix acquisition, Microsoft now expands the user profile service to include a robust profile container for both Office 365 and WVD profile optimization. As part of these new application and desktop managed services is the new WVD platform model. Enterprise admins can create Windows Virtual Desktop and application pools accessible remotely by users. If you think about the Windows operating system as a puzzle piece, FlexApp redirects the native install of Windows applications into a virtual hard disk or VHD container. Essentially, these FlexApp layers are now portable puzzle pieces that seamlessly snap into place onto the host operating system. Eliminating the native install process of these applications is one of the primary benefits of the FlexApp layering technology. Like a traffic cop, the proprietary filter driver system simply directs communications between the corresponding applications and the host operating system. The second most exciting piece to the FlexApp technology is the ability to simply remove the various application puzzle pieces, thus optimizing the base image management process but not leaving application clutter behind like a traditional application install. The filter drivers allow for the clean removal of the FlexApp puzzle pieces and an optimized user experience. As one of the original WVD partners, Liquidware is expanding support in some very exciting ways. Overall, Profile Unity and FlexApp have been designed to be extremely simple and efficient when integrating with the new platforms like WVD. From the WVD management portal, a single Windows Server VM can be provisioned for use as a Profile Unity management console. A file share is created for both portable profiles and FlexApp layer storage. This file share can be either traditional Windows SMB or CIFS, as well as support for newer cloud-based storage platforms like Azure Blob. As the user logs into their new WVD endpoint, the FlexApp layers have been snapped into the host OS like a puzzle piece at either system boot, user login, or the new click-to-layer model. Additionally, at user logoff, the FlexApp layers can be unsnapped from the WVD endpoint in an efficient cleanup routine, greatly enhancing the persistent or non-persistent WVD model depending upon customer preference. FlexApp layers now seamlessly support FSLogix containers within the new WVD enterprise environments. Managing FlexApp layers within the new WVD environment is incredibly simple based on the design of the Profile Unity platform. From the Profile Unity Management Console, a catalog of FlexApp layers is maintained in the background, sitting on either traditional Windows storage or the new Azure Blob cloud storage platform. Any new applications captured using the FlexApp Packaging Console and stored within this catalog will automatically be imported into the Profile Unity Management Console. Once under management within the Profile Unity Management Console, individual configurations can be created to support countless delivery scenarios for the WVD users. One scenario that is incredibly powerful is the ability to provide different FlexApp layers to multiple users across multiple sessions. Managing FlexApp layers within the new WVD environment for use across multiple sessions and users is an incredibly powerful tool available to enterprises. From the Profile Unity Management Console, the Filter module has been a core feature since the beginning. This module has evolved to provide focus on FlexApp delivery to multiple sessions and users. For example, a Profile Unity configuration filter could be applied to users that access WVD Session 1, at which point they would have access to a specific set of applications. A different Profile Unity configuration filter could be applied to users that access WVD Session 2, at which point they would have access to a different set of applications entirely. Behind the scenes, FlexApp layers would have been attached to the single shared Windows 10 image. Through use of Profile Unity filters, the individual users gain access to the apps they need, not all applications. For additional information on Liquidware, please visit liquidware.com.